In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a WhatsApp message to email. Forwarding WhatsApp messages to your email is really useful when you want to back up important conversations, share information with someone who doesn't use WhatsApp, or simply keep things organized in your inbox. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also mention a few tips along the way to make everything as smooth as possible. First, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're signed in to the account that contains the conversation you want to forward. From the main WhatsApp screen, tap on the chat that has the message or messages you'd like to send to your email. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. The process is the same. Once you're inside the chat, scroll to find the specific message you want to forward. Press and hold on that message until it becomes highlighted. You'll see some icons appear at the top of the screen. If you want to include more than one message, just tap on additional messages to select them as well. This way, you can forward a whole sequence instead of doing it one by one. Next, look for the forward icon. On most phones, it looks like a curved arrow pointing to the right. Tap that icon. WhatsApp will now show you different options for where you can send these messages. Instead of choosing another WhatsApp chat, look for the share icon or the option that lets you use other apps. Tap that and a list of apps will appear. From this list, select your email app, such as Gmail or your default mail client. WhatsApp will create a new draft email for you automatically. You'll notice that the selected messages are either pasted directly into the email body or attached as a text file, depending on your device and settings. Now, in the To field, type the email address you want to send the message to. This can be your own email for safekeeping or someone else's if you're sharing the information. You can also add a subject line like WhatsApp chat forward or something more specific to make it easier to find later. Take a quick moment to review the content in the email body. Make sure everything you need is included and that you're comfortable sharing it, especially if the message contains sensitive information. When you're ready, tap Send. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a WhatsApp message to email.